Hello and welcome to Asan Hai Education. In this video, we will discuss how to answer a quote-based question in your ethics paper, which is GS paper 4 Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude. We will see a quote given by Aristotle and we will discuss how to answer that question in your GS paper 4 so that you can attain maximum marks. Okay. So this quote is very important. You should follow it in real life as well. So let us see. What does the present quotation mean to you in the present context? Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all, according to Aristotle. So we have to explain the meaning of this statement, or what do you understand by this quote in the present context, that if you educate only the mind and you are not educating the heart, it is no education at all, according to Aristotle. So let us see how to approach this question and how to answer this question. See, according to Aristotle, educating human goes much beyond the cognitive aspect of learning. Cognitive means rote learning or rational based learning. Okay. In order to ensure complete and holistic development, our education should be backed by values like empathy, compassion, rationality, etc. So, according to Aristotle, educating human is not only by his rote learning or his rational learning or reading textbook, but in order to ensure complete and holistic development of a human personality, our education should be backed by like empathy. You must understand someone's pain. Okay, compassion. You must be able to trying to resolve someone's pain, or how you can give relief to someone's pain, how can you solve if someone is suffering. And rationality, you must have rational thinking, you must not keep superstitions and prejudices according to someone or with someone. So according to Aristotle, education is not only about rote learning or textbook learning, but in order to achieve holistic development, our education must be supplemented by the qualities like empathy, compassion, and rationality. And education is not just confined to a set of syllabus or knowledge of a certain field or having degrees and diplomas, for example, BTech, MTech, MBA. A person can be highly versed with many subjects and still come up very short in integrity and character. It is not necessary that a person who is holding high degrees, he may have the values like integrity and truth, but a truly educated person is one who understands the purpose of creation. He works with intelligence for the benefit of everyone. For example, the scientists who know how to create the best use of technology, or the how to create the technology in a best possible way, they work for the welfare of the large section of the society. But a person who do not have integrity, truth, and the empathy, compassion, they use their knowledge in other ways. For example, you can see the example of Osama bin Laden, who was also a very educated or technological driven mind, but he has used his mind in destroying the whole world. On the other hand, the scientists who are working day and night to develop the vaccine of COVID-19 pandemic, they know, they have the values like compassion, and they know how to help people to relieve from the pain. So education is not only to complete a set of syllabus or knowledge of a certain field, for example math, science, physics, and you have to get a degree from some IITs or IIM, but a person who has integrity, who has values like empathy, compassion, truth, he will always use his knowledge or intelligence for the welfare of a large section of the society. Okay. Educating heart means imparting moral values which produce integrity, virtue, and character. So, educating heart here means that you have to impart the moral values. Now, you are learning only textbook values. You have to impart your education with moral values such as integrity, virtue, and character. It makes a person capable of decision making in tune with values, culture, moral, compassion, ethics, and need of the society. So, when you have educated your heart, you will be able to make decisions with the values, culture, moral, compassion, ethics, and need of the society. So educating only the mind is not enough, you have to educating your heart, and educating heart means you have to inculcate the moral values such as truth, integrity. Your character must be very clean, and you must inculcate the values such as compassion, empathy, and morals of the society as well. Okay. So true education which comes with educated heart and educated mind help us to get rid of our prejudices, superstitions, etc., and to be a rational human being. So the true education is that which educated not only the mind, which educates the heart as well, and it helps when you educate your mind as well as when you educate your heart, it helps us to get rid of our prejudices, preformed opinions and superstitions, and it makes us a rational human being. And it not only enables us to take in information but also helps in understanding its worth. So when you are educating only your mind, you will be taking only information, but when you educate your heart, you will understand the worth of it. You will use that information for the welfare of a large section of the society. So being educated is exposing oneself to several aspects of life. When you are educating your mind and your soul or heart, you are exposing yourself to various aspects of the life. Okay, so in the present context, as the question was saying, in the present context where education is highly technical, competitive and textbook oriented, education of the heart is mostly neglected. We are seeing that at the present, education is highly technical, competitive and textbook oriented. Education of the heart is not taking place, educating of your soul is not taking place. So education of the mind sharpens our academic performance. We can be academically very good because we are educating only our, you will get 100 out of 100 percentage, 90 percentage, 99 percentage, but you are not educating your heart. So you will not be able to understand the concept, or you will not be able to understand the concern of the rural poor who are living in the rural areas and what is the need of the society. So you will not be able to meet the demand. While educating the heart help us in holistic development. Thus, educating the heart is as necessary as educating the mind. And education of the mind, it helps us to sharpen, or it helps us to perform academically good. But when we educate our heart, it helps us in our holistic development. Thus, educating the heart is necessary as educating the mind. So you have to remember this, that what we have discussed in this video, we have discussed that there was a statement given by Aristotle that educating only mind and not educating the heart is no education at all. So we have discussed that educating the mind will help us to excel in our academic performances, but when we educate our heart, it helps us to develop holistically, and we have to inculcate the moral values like ethics, integrity and compassion, empathy. All these qualities must be inculcated in us to understand the concern or the problem of poor people or society at a better pace, and we must be able to contribute with our intelligence. So our aptitude will be aided to change the attitude of people at a larger rate. Okay, so this is the reason that educating the mind as well as educating the heart is the only education at all. But when you are educating only your mind, it means you are training yourself to become a sword for the society. You will harm the society. But if you are educating your mind as well as educating your soul or heart, you will become very beneficial for the society. Okay, so this was the answer related to this quote. Education of mind without educating the soul or without educating the heart is no education at all. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.